Start by removing headrests from the seat. You will need to align the cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Install your headrest cover. Make sure you align the sides and Velcro both straps together to ensure a snug fit. Backrest. Grab your back seat cover and make sure you align it with the stitching of your seat. If the airbag option was selected, you will have a cutout with a flap on the side of each backrest cover. Place seat cover over the top by holding it from both sides and slowly sliding the cover down. Make sure you push down cross-like cuttings on top of the seat cover. Push back flap and elastic bands through the bottom part of the backrest and the bottom cushion. Bottom cushion. Grab the bottom portion of the car seat cover and make sure you align the cutouts and contours of the seat to match. Making sure you undo the two buckles from each other. Start from front to back, making sure you align the stitching and cutouts of the bottom cushion, making sure for a snug fit. Now push and tuck the elastic with S-hooks in between the backrest and the bottom cushion to secure the fit. Make sure you push back seat cover flap in between backrest and bottom cushion. Use slanted side of the tool to help push and tuck the straps on the side of your seat in between the plastic of your car seat and the cushion. And don't forget to fix airbag opening on the side of your seat. Most cars will have a small flap on the bottom backside of your car seat that will need to be unhooked as shown. Go ahead and pull all straps and elastic bands tight for a secure fit. Hook all elastic bands and buckles to the bottom of the cushion. Now use fork side of the tool to help push all straps to the front of the seat, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath the seat. Don't forget to hook back car flap to the bottom of your car seat. Lastly, grab the 2 remaining S-hooks and connect them to the bottom of the seat as well. Buckle all straps to each other and pull tight for a snug fit. Now set your headrest back on the backrest. Now repeat the same process to the other side. Headrest. You will need to align the headrest cover next to each other. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest cover needs to be installed. You will need to remove the headrest prior to installing your seat covers. Please note this only applies to headrests which are fully adjustable. Make sure you align the sides with the stitching and Velcro the bottom straps to each other. Install your headrest cover. Make sure you have everything on the way you want. Follow the same steps for the last 2 remaining. Backrest. Go ahead and select the 40% seat cover you want to install, making sure you align the cutouts and contours of the seat with that of the seat cover. Undo the Velcro straps from each other and place over the backrest as shown. Don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of your backrest. Go ahead and push back backrest bottom flap in between the backrest and bottom cushion as shown. Lift your bottom cushion to better help yourself with this install. Now slightly bring your backrest forward and push back backrest flap as shown. Pull through the back as you see and then Velcro the straps together. Please note there's limited space to work with in this step. Bottom cushion. Make sure you align the stitching from the seat cover to the bottom cushion. Go ahead and undo all buckles from the seat cover. Now flip your car seat cover and start by aligning it from front to back. Go ahead and push back the bottom cushion flap as shown. Lift bottom cushion to better help yourself with the installation, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath if there is any. Grab each strap and start pulling them back as shown. Start attaching all buckles and straps straight across from each other as shown. Don't forget to buckle the side strap. %60 backrest seat cover. Go ahead and align stitching of the seat cover with that of the backrest as shown. Bring backrest slightly forward to better help with the installation. And placing your seat cover over the backrest, making sure you go under the integrated seat belt and not over. Make sure to pull down on both sides for a better fit. Don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of the seat. Zip your backrest back up and Velcro flaps together on the back seat. Go ahead and push back seat cover flap in between backrest and bottom cushion. Bottom cushion, make sure you align the stitching with the seat cover. Undo the buckles and start placing your cover from front to back as you did before. Pull all straps to the back of the seat as shown. And start connecting each buckle to each other. Not forgetting the side strap as well. Lastly, grab you a rest/cup holder and place over the cover. Make sure to tuck the Velcro straps to the back as shown. Place last two remaining pieces to the rest of the backrest. And lastly, place your headrest back into place. And you're ready to enjoy your CalTrend custom-made seat covers.